Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to check the moisture level of your soil with and without a moisture meter. Now onto the video. This is a moisture meter. This is what I use to check the moisture level of the soil. There are many types, so feel free to pick whatever you want. This plant looks quite normal, but as you can see when you check the moisture meter, it says it's wet. Just to make sure, please check the soil by hand. And if we check the soil, as you can see, it's quite muddy and they stick to each other. So that's a sign that your plant is overwatered. This is my syngonium plant. As you can see, the water meter says that it's wet, but as you can see when we check it, it's just right. It's not too wet and not too dry. This is my mulberry plant. As you can see when we check it, it says it's moist, but tendency, after a few minutes, this will dry up. And when we check the soil, as you can see, it's quite dry. This is the best time to water your plants. Please don't wait until your plant is too dry. As you can see, it is rock solid. This is the chopstick method. As you can see, when we stick the stick in the soil, it's actually quite dry. This is another plant. As you can see, when we check the soil on this plant, it's just right. It's not too wet and not too dry. As you can see, when I bring my other plant, from the looks of it, it looks very overwatered. When we stick the chopstick in the soil, as you can see, it's very wet. Please take note that different plants require different moisture levels. If you don't know the moisture level of the plant that you own, please search it on Google or comment on this video and we'll try to reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, share this video, comment anything you like, and follow us on IG on pootsplants. And check out our Gardening 101 playlist here.